and welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So in today's video we're going to be reviewing some more Beetles gel polish. I know I'm really obsessed with gel polish at the moment, and Beetles were kind enough to send over these two separate gel polish pots, kits, collections, and I love them. They are summer, spring, they are absolutely gorgeous. So the first one I think is the Unicorn Pastel, and then the other one, I can't remember off the top of my head what it's called, but I will put the names on the screens. So I am going to swatch both collections. They both come in a set of 6, so there's 12 gel polishes altogether. I use all colours bar 2 today, and the colours, these two collections, sorry, I lost my train of thought. These two collections go together so well. They're perfect together, and the design I've done I really like. So I did just make press-ons today because I felt like doing some gel press-ons, do you know what I mean? But yeah, I love pastels, I love soft colours, and Beetles are always great with their formulas. I never have a bad thing to say about the gel polishes in themselves with Beetles. I think they're fantastic. They still always have been one of my favourite gel polish brands, and I do have an affiliate link and code now, and I will leave that down in the description box. I think it's an affiliate link, I'm not too sure, I'll have to check on that. So the first one was a pastel collection. Like I said, I'll put them on the screen, and then the second one here now is like a jelly glitter. I think I have this collection, I'm not too sure. I think I reviewed it last year, but I didn't realise until literally as I was looking at the colours on my nails, I was thinking, I'm sure I have this collection here. So yeah, I now have 2. I would of course give it away, but the thing is, with everything that's going on in the world right now, I don't, because I used them not thinking, I don't really want to give things away that have been used, do you know what I mean? That was my fault, and I do apologise. I could have done a giveaway with the second set here, so I need to just, yeah, I did not think, so hopefully I'll remember next time. So yeah, these are the two collections. I did do 2 coats on the jelly ones though, just to give the full colour for you guys to see, and they are still jelly even with 2 coats. So this is what I'm going to be using all together today. So I'm using my square press-ons, I'm using some of those glue sticky tabs, the makartt file. These are the 2 colours I didn't use. The makartt file, I then also use makartt's foil glue and their foils, the gold foils, and I also use Beetles top coat, base coat, and matte top coat. So here I am now just sticking on my nails onto the nail stand to make it easier for me to paint them, and I'm just going in now, and what I'm doing is I'm filing off the little tabby thing that you have at the top of your nail from the molds from where they were made. I file that off, and then I go over the top and file away the shine from the surface, because gel doesn't like to stick to a shiny surface. I do this to all nails. You can do this with a hand file, and I'm showing you can also do it with an e-file. It's completely your preference. I actually found it easier to do it with a hand file. I think it's because I've just been using a hand file so much that the e-file, it just, yeah. And you will have to excuse my cuticles. I'm a terrible person for picking when I have like dried skin and like hangnails. I pick up my nails. I'm so bad for it. I know that they look really bad. They're not hurting or anything, they're just red and they're just messy because I can't help but pick. I'm terrible. Is anyone else like me? God, I hope so. But anyway, now what I'm doing is I'm going in with the Beetles base coat, and I'm just painting an even layer, making sure the whole nail is covered with the base coat, and then I cure for a full 60 seconds. Beetles curing time though is 90, so be aware, because if you've got a weaker lamp, make sure your product is cured all the way through, because if you have uncured product on your fingers, on your skin, or on your nails, then it can lead to allergies. So now basically what I'm doing is I'm just literally slapping the gel polish on in any shape, way or form. I didn't want it to be perfect because I kind of wanted like that sort of wavy kind of thing, and every nail is different, so you literally cannot do this wrong. I do this to every single nail, and I use every single colour bar that green and the lighter blue colour from the collections. These collections are so stunning. I love pastels. I love colours in general. Since doing nails, I've noticed that I'm obsessed with colours. I used to just be like, oh, my favourite colour is blue and purple and pink. And now I'm like, I can't decide. I used to hate the colours like yellow, orange and green. And now I love the colours. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, doing nails is definitely definitely giving me like more gratitude towards colours. I know it sounds stupid, but it's true. So yeah, I really enjoyed these sets, like I said, and basically I'd done the same thing to each nail, and then I cured for a full 60 seconds. Once I was done with this then, and I cured, I went in then with the glitter gel polish, and I painted the tips, because the colours in both kits correspond so well with each colour in like, yeah, like, can you see like the purple goes perfectly with the purple? So I just painted the top here. You don't have to do it perfectly, because then what we're going to do is once we've cured this, we're going to matte top coat, cure again, wait for it, and they don't look that great matted, I've got to be honest. The glitter looks so much better when it's shiny, I will give it that. But yeah, I put a matte top coat on them because I wanted to do some foils, and sometimes foil likes to stick to top coats. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, and I was like, I just want to be careful. So I matte top coated, then I went in with the foil glue and I just painted it on with a liner brush. Then I cured for a full 60 seconds because makartt foil glue is curable for 60 seconds. I did tidy up that bit there because it was a big blob. And then once it was cured, I went in with some gold foil and I just stuck the foil down. I did try to like do the rubbing motion. You know, you put it down and you rub with your finger. I tried to do that, but I found it easier just to literally take the foil and just dab it onto where the foil glue was. It made it a lot easier. And then once I was done, then I did go in with some top coat. I went in with shiny top coat and I was like, I'll just paint the tips and the foil because I thought it would look really good. It does look nice, but I preferred the shiny, so I did just go all full shiny nails. But I do show you the matte, half matte, half shiny version as well, so you got an idea of both. Look at my poor thumbnail there. Whew. I need to stop picking at my cuticles. Does anyone know a good thing to stop picking at cuticles? Because I'm terrible for it. And I'm terrible for dried skin as well with hand sanitizer at the moment. Oh, I'm washing my hands. And it's still quite cold here in Wales. Even though we have the sun shining and blue skies, it's still so cold. I don't know if it's just my age, honestly. But yeah. So I'm just using a liner brush here to put the foil glue on, and yeah, like I said, I cured. And then once that was done, I just took the sticky tabs, I stuck them onto my nails. You can either stick the sticky tabs onto your natural nail, or you can put them inside the false nail and do it that way. It really doesn't matter which way you do it. But if you do want to like save them for later, but you want to stick the sticky tabs on, I would recommend just sticking them on the inside of your false nail and just leaving the plastic on top until you're ready to put them on. That way you can save them for later, as long as there's no dust. Is, you know, put them in like a container or something, you know, like that. But yeah, I love making press-ons. I really enjoy doing it, and it's fun and it's quick and it's easy. And this set just turned out really lush in my opinion. But yeah, it was really fun to do. So before I do go though, I'm going to let you know that I did also use makartt's cherry version of the cuticle pens that we got in the Sweet Cravings bundle. It doesn't really smell like cherry to me. It smells like flowers. It's still a pretty smell, but it doesn't smell like cherry. But yeah, it still works. It was a nice one anyway. But yeah, so that's the cuticle pen that I used in this video as well. But other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to leave all of my links and all of the discount codes down below in the description box. They're always down there. If you ever want to find, just look in the description box. I have everything listed there of things that I use and blah, blah, blah. And I will say I am going to hopefully be reviewing the Birds of Paradise release at some point. It's just makartt has just launched their UK store, by the way, and they're having a problem with customs and getting the products over to the UK at the moment. So I am going to be late with the review, but I will be bringing one up. I do have the polygel kit here. I just don't have the rest of the kit, like the bundle. The gel polishes are on there, but I still want to do like the whole review. There's the matte. That does look nice. It's just I preferred it shiny. But yeah, the matte was still great. But yeah, I will be reviewing it. Let me know down in the comments if there is like, if you know, if you don't mind waiting or whatever. I know that everyone else has got their reviews out so far, and I was gutted, but there's, you know, no one can help customs. It's just the way it is. The joy. But other than that, guys, I'm going to leave it here. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. I hope you're all still staying safe. I hope you're still smiling. And other than that, guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
Could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.